USB Cool Mist Humidifier, Ampersand Mini-Size Cactus Humidifier for Bedroom Home Office Car 280 ml 50 ml per hour with timed auto shutdown. Easy to power and carry, the mini-size 130-80 mm and USB powered make it easy to carry and power. You can connect it with PC, laptop, car charger or any other USB outlet. Suitable capacity, 280 ml volume, 50 ml hour spray volume. Ampersand Cool Mist Humidifier can moisturize your living space to prevent dry, stuffy air and flu-cold germs infecting your loved ones. Ultrasonic technology and ultra-quiet design prevent dry and chapped skin in dry seasons with no noise. Help you breathe easy and provide a silent and comfortable sleep environment. Safe protection with auto shut off, 4 hours automatic power off protection. Make sure there is enough water before running. Important note, please use the 5V1A power supply. If it is lower than this power supply, it may not work properly. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.